Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting video for you guys. I'm going to be sharing a secret. If you guys are wondering how come my hair is looking so beautiful, flawless, nice, shinier, healthier, you are at the right place. I'm gonna be talking about all the secrets I'll be using lately, and I have encountered some of the really good product, and one of the products which is really have gotten so close to my heart. I am going to give you a first impression on that product today. Open it up and see. Alrighty, so you have some of the packaging material right here, and these are so cute. These are pink. Oh my gosh, cutie thermocol small. So the first product I have is this. This is a comb. I think, yeah. How to open it now? Okay, from here. So this is basically just a comb or a detangler, and let me open it up. Okay. Woo! This is so freaking cute. Alright. Oh no! Oh my god! This is like such a good detangler. Love it. I mean, I cannot explain the kind of, as soon as I put them through my hair, um, I feel different. I feel really different than my usual combs or usual, detanglers. This one is like really cool. And these one are little strong and harsh, so every time you're combing, it's going to circulate the blood circulation in your scalp, and that's really good for your hair growth, for your brain, for your entire body. The circulation is really important. So this is what I can feel like as soon as I touch it on my scalp. It's so smoothing, massaging kind of sensation. It's so cool. The next product I have in the bag is, the main product, of course. Okay, so this is how the flat iron looks like. Thank you so much. And this is called the Professional Flat Iron Impulse. The box basically opens like, it opens something like this. Oh my god, look at this packaging. Oh my god, you have this velvety kind of texture material right here. So I think this is good to even travel with, because you have a box right here. Your iron is going to be safe. Every time you use it, you basically can put it back in the box and travel it pretty much everywhere. So once you take this thing out, you see the wiring and all the instruction manual is lying right inside. So I will want to introduce you guys to this particular baby. This is from the website called Duvel, and I'm so thankful to the company for sending it out to me to give you guys a first impression, a review on this product. And yeah, let's just go ahead and dive in, because I'll be talking a lot of things. First button is for on and off, and temperature is like different settings. You can pick and choose depending upon the length of your hair, depending upon how thick or thin your hair is. The best part is the maximum it can go to is 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is like amazing kind of hotness. Like, I am first going to press the on and off button. As you can see, I switch it on, and as soon as I switch it on, it actually started with the lowest setting. It even automatically went to the lowest setting, which is 270 degree Fahrenheit. And as I said, I'm gonna slowly work into, because I don't know how hot it's gonna get or how warm it's gonna get. So I'm gonna be starting with 360 degrees, which is right above this is 320 degrees, but I'm gonna take it 360 and see how hot or how warm it's gonna get. 60, as I said, I'm gonna be trying. As you can see, the cuteness, there are like red, you can see the element inside. You can see, oh my god, that's kind of cool. So now you can see how the heating iron is actually getting heated up. So this has a slightly teeny tiny transparent strip. Oh, This is really hard. And I am going to secure that in place so that it doesn't bother me. Two parts, and then of course detangling them as much as we can on by using different kind of, you know, iron and tools on your hair. So definitely it's a big saver for everything. Oh my god, you guys, this is so cool. Do you know what I'm talking about? Let me tell you once again. So I'm going to take a smaller section once again, something like this, comb it, and iron when I'm using the other, you know, straightening irons. I feel like are those actually makes my hair like stick into the plates of the straightening iron, and this one is so smooth, then I'm not feeling any pain. Mostly I used to feel a lot of pain when I'm straightening my hair right here, because they kind of, you literally kind of have to work really hard to make them print straight. This one is an amazing product because I literally am not putting any pressure on my hair. I'm just closing it like a smooth tongue and sliding it through my hair. That's all I'm doing. Trust me, you guys, this thing needs no introduction. And even the hair is like just perfect. I'm not kind of going in, creating it like tight loop and then, you know, pressing it down to make it like pin straight hair. This is like just like, as you can see, it was so easy. I was just going over like this very smoothly, and voila, it is just 360 degrees. I'm going to increase just a little bit more, so let's go to 410 Fahrenheit, the fourth setting, in our thermofuse one pass. Super surprised and stunned and whatever you want to call it right now, but I'm like literally blown away. I'm literally shine like a diamond, like a diamond in the sky. There's a good news for you guys that the company have thought so much about me, about my subscribers, about this channel in whole. They actually have come up with a coupon code for all my subscribers. So if you guys are interested, you can place an order on the website. I'm going to leave the link in the description bar on the screen as well, and also the coupon code. They are giving you not 20, not 50, not 60, 70% off on the order. So it's going to be for the limited time, but however, you can get 70% off if you place the order on the website through this coupon code. And yeah, and you can get a healthier, shinier hair just like me. What are you guys waiting for? What are you guys? Some websites which are wholly, solely, only dedicated to one specific product. They have done a lot of research and development in making this product like absolutely perfect and better for your hair. Something that can, you know, help you out in taking away all your problems from your life and give you a nice shiny hair and a big smile on your face. So with that, thank you so much guys for hanging out with me, and I am so thankful that because of all you guys, I am in a situation right now wherein, you know, I'm doing a review video like this. So yeah, thank you so much guys. Without you guys, nothing was possible. This channel is like next to impossible. Just a small gesture of appreciation. I will be coming up with a giveaway video very soon. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You might be one of the winners. So yeah, keep checking it out. Don't forget to click on that bell button. That's going to notify you when I will upload my giveaway video. Yes, thank you so much guys, from the bottom of my heart, literally like from the bottom of my heart. And I'll see you in the next video. Until we meet next, it's me, Sevi, signing out, saying bye and ciao.